welcome everyone. And just give me a moment. Okay. All right. So, how's everyone going? Yeah? Kamusta? Kamusta? So, okay, let's check our comments. Lynch. Okay. You can watch the live later. Lynch. Suji. Tapos ko na po lahat ng videos mo sa YouTube, ma'am. Thank you po at madami. At ang daming natutunan. That's good. Later ko na lang panoorin ito. Yan. So guys, for those who does not know, you can watch the live again in YouTube. Okay? Just find it. Yan. Para kita ng lahat. Ano? Alright, so Carl, yes. Hello. I miss you guys. Grabe. It's been a week, ano? Jack, yes. Hello. Eon, we have Eon right now. Alfonso also, yes. Good evening. Carl, yes. Let's go. Sige. So let's have a start. Yeah. Um Today is gonna be, what's with October that we talked about last July. Remember? Back on July we talked about, oh, there's a possible that it's gonna go down. Diba? I mean it's gonna break below the 30K level, and it did. We broke down. And August was more of, ranging, and bias was what? Was to the downside. And from that August, yeah, mid-August, we broke down right here. September is like remember I said it's like the PTSD of what happened during the you know August season, like that. But now, as we enter the October, now what can we expect? So remember, guys, we were expecting this movement, ganyan, yeah, more of an ABC, and I have been telling this to to everyone that Bitcoin is gonna visit this supply zone again, which is the 28 to 29K na level. And we are, at that now. Diba? So just where is this one? I cannot find. Okay. So for those who are in in TikTok, guys, if you guys want to watch again the full screen of this, yeah, now, um, just check Mayari Capital. Ayun. Okay. So what to expect with the Bitcoin right now? Yun. Diba? So October, let's open our monthly for December so we can know what's the possible movement that we can expect with Bitcoin. Now we are in the monthly chart right now. This is the monthly chart. So with that said, this movement that you guys are seeing up, okay, impulse, correction, impulse, correction right here. And now we're getting an impulse correction. So how can I see that miss properly? Let's say hindi ka pa masyado sa may candles. Yan. Can you guys see this area right here on top? Yan. Yan yung natin, yung format of your candlesticks. So it can be a candle, it can be a bar. Yan. But, we're not gonna be trading by the bar. So, I want you guys to look for the line. Yun. Yung line na yan, ha? So, with that line, then you can see it properly. Okay, that makes sense. Can you guys see? We have impulse, correction. Impulse, deeper correction. Yeah? And now, we're having an impulse and a correction. Looking like that. Yes? Clear, everyone? So, going back on our line candlestick right here. So that's what we're seeing right now, guys. How we have the impulse to the upside and now currently a correction. So our bias, long term talaga is bullish, right? We're in the bullish market. This whole structure in the macro is a one impulse and currently a correction. So far we're forming a what? Higher high, no, my bad. Higher low pala, tapos higher low. So with that said, we are in the structure of what? Uptrend. So we are in the bullish bias right here. Bullish bias yan. So um yeah. So right here guys, you remember from this point all the way down till there, it was the bearish na section. And by the December last year, eto, last year December guys, we ended the bear market. Remember? Ended the bear market, starting of a what now? Starting of a bullish momentum. That's what we're seeing right now, yeah, to the upside. And so far, there is no any other weaknesses. Okay, walang weakness, guys. So there's a high chance that it's gonna, continue the trend right here and possibly hit our all-time high. Again, it will take some months, but the bias is to the upside. Yeah. So let's check our, yan, indicators right here or confluences. Confluences, there's no discrepancy or anything like that in terms of like, oh, is this, I guess it's gonna go down, anything like that, none. So our bias even at the RSI right now is pretty neutral yan guys. So when we say neutral, it will go by the bias by the volume tsaka momentum. So that's one way for us to, to see RSI. Now, Yaka muna, thank you for sending the heart. Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you guys sa mga nagla-like sa sa TikTok. Okay? Alright. So, Potato, if you want to see the coin in my watch list, just go over the full screen. Yun. So, you can see the full screen. Kita mo lahat. Sige? So, yeah, MACD natin, no weakness in terms of like strength. So, that's a good sign, meaning that Bitcoin can go by the bias of our, price action right here. So, what happened the past 2 months? This is July. Remember, July was the top of like the push of the impulse and reversing on August and September right now is what total ranging. So now let's open our 2 weeks chart right here. So we have plot all of this, yung mga weekly resistance zones still, they do not change guys ha. Remember this yellow zone na plinot natin, very strong, right? Now you guys have seen it for a month with me and you can see how strong it was. We have the what? We have the bounce off of that. Not just I'm talking 2 week. So right around here, almost a month worth of support right here. From this point till that, almost a month. 28 days yan, guys. So that weekly zone that we plotted, like I've told you, it's gonna hold, right? I don't think Bitcoin is gonna go lower than that. At least for the meantime, it's gonna have a bounce, and currently the bounce is happening. So with that, that that was the main point that supported our 1 2. Remember this guys, 3 4 and 5 yan. So let me make this one bigger. Okay, for those who does not know, this one is what we call elite wave theory yan. Okay, or wave principle. So with that, meron din yung correction, and that correction is sitting at A, B, and C, something like that. So C guys, don't think about C yet. Okay, like I've told you before. Let's process or focus on what's to happen for the meantime. Okay, for the current data. So that's what's happening right now. Bouncing by the B. So let's look at our 2 weeks chart of RSI. RSI, pretty normal, no divergences. Um, monthly, no, no, 2 weeks of Bitcoin MACD. Okay, so this one, I want to see if this one has strength at all. It's gaining some strength, guys. Okay, and mind you, when is this? Okay, we have one more week before this candle or this bar to to close. So I can literally gain more traction and flip this momentum to the upside. Okay, so weekly, I want to check the weekly. Yeah, weekly is there. There's space to go up. So yun. Now we are in the weekly chart, guys. Okay, so the red line that you guys can see in here, that was the monthly resistance. So if ever the Bitcoin right now is gonna, is gonna go up, hili natin to, break to the pag ganyan, okay, to the upside, this is gonna be like the hardest point of, for us to see for the resistance. Ito, monthly yan guys, yung 35,000 na level na yan. Okay? So, again, for those who are in TikTok yan ha, so you can see, 35,000. Alright? So, again, if you guys want to see the full screen ha, just go over the YouTube. So, 35,000 yan guys. Now, let's open the histogram. Histogram, so, okay. And remember this, when we were around this September, second week of September, right? We were just doing like that. I told you guys that this gonna be a what? It's gonna have a filling of the gap right here. So misasan yung gap na yan. Ito. Yan. It's gonna fill the gap. And currently we are by that gap. So moving forward, and so move ko lang guys, ayun. So, and currently we are right around here. So, with that said, we're facing some, we might face some resistance on the weekly chart. So, yung 2 weeks monthly, they're good, meaning they're pretty neutral. So, when the higher time frame is pretty neutral, the tendency for now, it will follow the momentum of the lower time frame. So, yung weekly, stating that there's a possible resistance, and of course, from that, we're gonna refer where is the resistance, may bias ba yun? Yun. Does it have any supported data? So with that, it is, by the supply zone that we plotted right here. Okay, so before we continue, I would like to see some comments and YouTube if you have any other question. Yeah. Guys, if you have any questions, just type it in comments, ha? Alright, so Stephen, yes, yes. Hello, hello, Lynch. Nasa school pa ako. Gabi na, Lynch, ah. Take care. Okay? So, hello, hello, Mibon. Welcome. So, Carl, okay. Traded my first one yesterday with Link. Exited with 7% profit. Still waiting the link to go down and I'm gonna enter the trade again. I've applied the things that I learned from you, madam. Thank you. Wow, grabe. Trading alone na si Carl. Yeah, I've seen Carl around here. And for those who doesn't know, especially those who are in TikTok who just, came just now, I have a free trading lessons, guys. Free lang yan. Free trading lessons in YouTube. So just go over my YouTube in my playlist, particularly in my players. I have a free trading lesson in there. And Carl right here successfully traded on his own. Yun. Congrats, Carl. Okay, congrats. So, Nikki Shaw, yes, hello, hello, hello. Um, yes, Carl, replay muna si Lynch, no? Yeah. Eh, sa lahat bumalik ka na may mentor namin siya. Yeah, I was just roaming around, you know? Pahinga muna. Roaming. Take a break. Kumbaga, diba? Now, we are full on, why? Full on back on trading. Why is that? Because from October to November to December is gonna be a really interesting month for not just Bitcoin but crypto itself. So guys, clear your calendars. This is the months that we should be getting busy. So yung August, September na yon, it was the time for learning. It was the time for learning. So but don't feel left out. Kumaga, it is still, you know, you can still study October, November, December. And at the same time, since you are still studying, you can, tag along with me, with everyone in here, and tsaka sa may premium sa Discord. For those who does not know, last last na live webinar namin, I almost gave out like 15 people, 15 guys, giveaway 15 for free premium subscription. Okay, for those who does not know, ito yun. Yan. So that is like $30 per month. I gave it out for free. Almost for all the people who were in the live. Yun. So, congrats pala sa mga sa mga nanalo nun. Yan. So, um, let's check. Hello, Rialika. Hello, hello, hello. Let's see some other. Okay, let's see if we have some questions. Okay, so I guess we can continue. Yeah, I guess, guys, for those who just came in my YouTube, welcome again. For the two new subscribers natin, di ba? So, again, weekly, okay? So, weekly, now, finally, the B leg to the upside that we were, expecting is finally happening. It just broke out. Yun, good news. So, 3-day chart, let's see. Take this out. Yeah. So we know, guys, that there's a B leg, and that is currently happening. So I'm just gonna check this one, guys, ito, by the 3-day chart. Parang ganyan. So even at this, at this point of view of the trend line, that's a clear breakout. That's a clear breakout right here. So even if I put it back, kasi nung nandito week by week yan, yung ginawa ko dito, week by week. So that was a clear breakout, a strong breakout. And when we did the, where was that? Ayun. Yeah, this one. It's a clear breakout also. But if we want to be sure, kumbaga, if we guys, want to be sure, we just have to wait for at least like 1 day and 13 hours. Yun, 1 day and 13 hours. So, you know, for us to be sure that, okay, that's a break of the trend line right there. Okay, for those who just came in sa live, yung mga bago lang po dito, this green line that you guys can see, that is a strong trend line by the yearly time frame yan. So this has started back January. Okay, January 2023, supporting March 2023, then another support by the June this year, and then we broke out by the August. So September, this is the correction happening. So right here, now we have the breakout. Now, is it possible, miss, that it's gonna, hit all the way up till there and possibly have a double What do double tap ganon? Maganyan, miss. Possibly, yeah. But for now, on the lower time frame, the rejection that I will be expecting talaga is the supply zone, guys, ha, that we plotted right here. That's our supply zone. Yun. So 3-day chart, let's open our confluences. So we're okay. Interesting. 3-day chart. I want to see this. There should be the divergence. Okay, divergence now. The normal stuff is happening. What about down in here? Yeah, interesting. Okay. I guess we're gonna have a normal momentum from here now. So guys, can you see what I just drawn? Sa histogram natin. This is the 3-day chart histogram. So expect something like that to happen. So histogram to bend like that, and at the same time, let me try to make this one big. Yun. So miss, how does it how will it affect the candlestick? It will look something like this. We might hover, yun, and then have the retest. I am still expecting a retest because again, this one is just the P leg yan, guys. A, P, and then C right here. But one factor also that I am considering is the months, the November tsaka yung December. It would be really nice pag yung pag yung C natin, short lang siya, yung mabilisan na correction, kumbaga, for us to fill in by the December plot zone. I know it looks like mabilisan, yan. But if we see the 3-day chart yan, it will form couple of candles, October, rejection, November, and we might start picking up on the second week of December. Yun. Now I'm literally sharing to you guys months by months what I am expecting. So again, rejection will be there. I'm expecting that by the supply zone. It can be all the way till the red, the red weekly resistance zone. So this green zone or this red resistance zone, but still we are due for that one more leg down. Yun. So just expect for that. Okay. Where were we? Yeah. So for that's for the 3-day chart. Now let's open the 2-day. 2-day is picking up. Nothing much. They have the same bias with the 3-day, yung 2-day natin. Tanggalin natin to, yung green line. Okay. So B is currently happening. The daily, yeah, makes sense. Daily is hitting the almost the oversold region, almost. But by the histogram, everything is pretty normal. So it can go all the way till red. Okay, it can go all the way till red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, and C. Yeah, sense A, B, and C. Okay. So let's open the 12 hours. 12 hours with Bitcoin is hitting. No resistance yet. Okay, no weakness. Kumbaga, wala pang weakness guys sa lower time frame ng Bitcoin ha. To be honest, what it's actually doing is the parabolic. So what do we have to do is stay put. Now, if you guys have long position with Bitcoin, I've been telling this for weeks, guys, that Bitcoin is gonna go up. Yeah, all the way since August yan. August 30. I remember this. Because this one was the fake out that happened. Yeah, you guys remember that? I've been telling. that Bitcoin has to visit this zone again. So, with that said, the thing is here. Bitcoin has consolidated for a really long period of time, almost 2 months if you'll count it. From August all the way to September, August, almost a month. Yeah, more than a month. Yeah, 40 days, guys, to be exact. So, from that 40 days, then we got the breakout. That's why the movement that you're seeing right now, guys, this one is not a fake out. If you guys are thinking, oh, it's gonna be a fake out move to the upside, tas, parang magaganito yan ulit, parang up, tapos down. I'm not seeing that. Okay, because this has been a long consolidation. This one is gonna take time. We might hit around here by the red zone, moving like that. Interesting. Okay. So, yeah. Lower time frame, wala pa ding ano guys. There's no resistance happening yet with Bitcoin. Okay? No weakness, kumbaga. So, where's this? Yeah. So, let's open the 8 hours. I would like to see what's happening with the 8 hours. Okay? Pretty extended. It's pretty normal. Daily, weekly, wala pang ano. 4 hours. Okay? Still the momentum is there. It can go more higher. So I guess you guys now are, are wondering, Miss, how come you can say it's gonna go more higher? Diba? We're literally hitting like 80 by the 4 hours. It happens, guys, sometimes. Okay? With RSI, especially if there's a trend, usually RSI is not, it's, what's the word for that? Hindi siya, I don't wanna use the word useless. But yeah, you can say that. Especially in parabolic movements, RSI is useless. So what we're seeing right now on the higher time frame, the movement is parabolic. So this lower time frame, okay, expect like that. So Miss, how can we use RSI then? RSI can be used for divergences at that point. That's it. But divergences is not that reliable unless and until it shows on the higher time frame. Okay? So take note of that. Okay. So right here again, we just broke out. We might hit some resistance by the blue zone again. Can go all the way up till the red. So if you'll see, that would be like mid around October or even the last week of October. So November, I would like to see how the reaction is going to be on the next coming weeks, guys. Last week of October, tsaka yung November, that I want to see. Why? It can, it can uh, invalidate this C leg that we have and literally continue to move up. So that's why, for now, you know, this is what we can expect. Okay, we can go all the way till up here. That is what I can tell you. The moment we are up in here, then we can process, I can process the data. If we're gonna reject, go down, perform the C leg, or is this gonna break out now and hit our really long monthly zone of the red line, which is the 35,000. Okay, 35,000. Sige. Guys, for those who are on TikTok, thank you again for for the likes. Thank you so much. Chua, ano YouTube mo ate? Ito po. Just type in Mayari Capital po. So, you can watch the live again. May mga free trading lesson po ako doon sa YouTube. So, let's check. Yeah, so that's it for the Bitcoin, guys, for our monthly opening. All right. Finally, the last couple of weeks that we anticipated is happening, yung B-leg natin, and it's gonna go by that for now. But I want to share something with you guys. On the daily, I've been seeing this kasi. So, right here, um, this I have wrote down around mid-September. So sell when it hits 29K. Weekly shows weakness in MACD. So let's try to open the MACD again on the weekly. I want to review that right here. This right here, guys, it is, yes, it is showing a weakness, kumbaga, by the momentum lang, and at the same time, it is by the rejection. So we have two factors that I would like to add in here. Okay. RSI closing, or what we call the breakout on the weekly, that's what I want to see. If it happens like that, then I'm gonna hold my position. Okay, so I have a long position, guys. So I'm looking for, my trading plan, I'm looking for a sell on the 29K. So where was this? I got an entry rate around 26,400. So currently we're up like 7%. I'm looking for an exit of the 29. That's around 10%, guys. 10%. So that's gonna give me an ROI of at least like 100%. I did like what was that? 10x. Yeah. So this is what I'm projecting. But then at the same time, the weekly kasi, back then by September, let me do a recap. Second week of September right here. Yeah, that's a weakness. Can you see? Yeah. Can you see? So that's a weakness. But at the same time, where we at right now, medyo ano na siya, curvature, kumbaga, but we're not still safe. Why? I do not like the position of this MACD, guys, to be honest. If we talk about, if we expect it to go up, I'm not, this can possibly hover, parang ganyan, yan. But, yeah, that's it. I want to wait lang. That's all I want to say. I want to wait the RSI to, how it will react. Yun. But one thing is for sure, if you guys have long position, you can secure some profits once it hits like around 29K. I'm sure I will. Personally, I will. Okay. So we're, yeah, going back again. I'm reading some comments in YouTube right now. Okay. So for those who are in TikTok, guys, if you wanna get into, our YouTube right here, just type in Mayari Capital. Mm. Iyo, ano? Kamusta ka, Iyo? Galing mag-predict. may magic ball po ako. Charot. Okay, so will that be the effect of us shut down on Bitcoin? I'm not quite sure what is that. What do you mean by that, Mitcha? But hello? Um Carl is like, yeah, I remember that ate, but I don't have funds to enter that position that time. But at least you gain some knowledge, Carl. I know, right? I broke down my full on uh breakdown with it, thought process. Good. So that's a takeaway for you. So when this happens again, you know what to do. Yes, Stephen. So wala ba tayo live trade, ma'am? Hanap ako in 15 minutes. Yes. It's currently, personally, my account is full out, guys. Full out. Kaya 1 week wala akong trade. I mean, wala akong live. Wala din akong trade. Sometimes I share it in the premium, yung mga trades, yun. But yeah, it's a pretty chill past week for me because my trades are full. Oh, ayun. So, hello, hello, hello for everyone. Yeah. Remember Ethereum? What did I tell you guys? Buy. This was way back what? Way back September, whole month of September. Even at this drop, eto. September 12, I told you Ethereum. Buy Ethereum right around this zone. Eto, may ano yan, may red, no, not red, but may circle zone yan. And even an exact sniper type of entry, etong ano, yan. So my entry guys was around here 1,600, but I gave you guys a better entry, which is this yellow zone na yan. Remember? So for those who just bought Ethereum, congratulations. Let me know in the comments, if you guys got into the trade of Ethereum. Yeah. Congratulations. So like I have said with Ethereum, guys, this was the buy zone, and our target, we're seeing target profit by that, yung blue zone, that's, we were expecting some rejection right there. Maximum take profit I'm seeing for this trade is right here. Almost by the week lang yan, by a week, maliit na lang. We almost hit it. But yeah, so what we can do right now, especially for those who got an entry right here, guys, move your stop loss at your entry and forget to secure some profit. That's it. And remember this, this trade is not, invalidated unless and until we trade below this yellow zone or your yellow line pala. Okay? Again, for those who are in TikTok who just came in, if you want to, watch this live again, please watch in my YouTube. Yun. Can review some other trades in there. So that's it for Ethereum. Let's check the comments. Okay. Do you sniper entry always? I try to do sniper entry always. At least I try to do. Funny. Funny. Anyways, so yeah, that's for Ethereum. And UniFi, let's check UniFi. So this UniFi, we tried to enter it September 20. We know it was gonna go up by the green zone, but our, what's the word for that? Our stop loss was pretty tight. It's not actually really tight, but we were early by the trade. That's what I think. Yeah. We were early by the trade. So can we take a trade with UNFI right now? So this one is invalidated. I have updated it with, sa Discord natin. So buy zone, gone. I want to review this one again. UNFI right now, I'm not gonna touch it, guys. Why? And as long as we are below this, this red zone, I'm not gonna touch it, yung UNFI. Yun. Sige. Let's check XRP. Couple of trade. XRP was pretty funny also. We tried to enter that, but the stop loss was again similar. It was pretty tight, right around here. But then it went all the way to, as our bias. So on the altcoins, guys, yung mga XRP, UNFI, okay, not the major altcoins, yung mga Ethereum. Ethereum at least played with Bitcoin. Yun. The altcoins on the other hand, yung mga, you cannot call it small altcoins, but volatile altcoins like XRP, they move more than, our expected. Because this one was based off Bitcoin yung trade natin dito. That's why it went talaga sa movement ng Bitcoin. But the stop loss, yeah, the stop loss was, it's not tight, but the movement was more. And it happens. So, BNB. Yeah. So remember BNB, guys? I asked you to buy also. Remember? Yeah, we still have that guy, little guy nearby. So anywhere below, yeah, 215 back then, yung mga 206 na yan, remember that? I asked you guys that level, you cannot get that again. Every time we will hit that, it's gonna bounce. So that's why 205 right here, we bounce. Right now, 207, 206, we bounced. And that bounce is not a pretty normal bounce. That's like 6-7%. Similar to Bitcoin also. So I'm gonna take this one out. That was a clear breakout. Retest din yan. And then we got the bounce. So miss, can I still enter the BNB? For sure you can, but currently BNB is facing a resistance right here. So if you want, guys, if you guys want to enter the BNB, wait for it to have the break. I'm expecting a correction right here, rejection right here, retest by this area, then we can get, then you guys can be interested and longing, possibly longing that. Stop loss, refer to the low right here. Yan. Okay, if we do the breakout, refer to that low and then take profit area is gonna be by this demand zone. So it can play from here. That's a good 2.4:1 to maximum 3:1. Not bad. So if you're risking $50, possible return maximum is $150 for this trade. Okay? Guys, just do your calculator, ha? For those who does not know, okay, we have a free calculator which I give out sa YouTube ko. Ito. So just risk your do your calculator in there. Let's open 3.45, 10.42. So let's check 10.42, 3 point, how much was that again? Yeah, 45. 3.45. So let's say you have an account balance of 1,000 and you want to risk like this. I want to risk like around 4% or let's say 5%. That's it. And you wanna play. Oh, what happened? Oh, my indicator is gone. What happened? All right, so ulit again. So Bitcoin. No, sorry. Balance 1,000. Risk 2%. Again, guys, my recommended risk is 2%. So let's go by that. Leverage 5x. TP was 10.42. Take profit. Stop loss 3.45. So everything now is calculated right here. Automatic yan, guys. That is a part of your indicator na in your trading view. That's the beauty of it. You don't have to, you don't have to, open another account or take your calculator out. So right here, possible loss that we can see from here is $20. Possible profit is 60. And the only margin required for us to do is just $100. Yan. By 5x yan. Okay? So the 1%, paano po makuha yan? I give it out sa mga nasa YouTube ko, guys. Yan. So, just be in my YouTube. I give that out. Yan. So, that's it for BNB. That's one trade for you, everyone. So, let me add that up so we can review that, diba? It's good to always review your trade. It's October 2 entry. We're not at the entry yet, guys, huh? So, we're, again, I want to see a retest, kumbaga. So, actually, dalawang ano dito, guys. Dalawang trade setups I'll give you. So, two scenarios, kumbaga. Miss, what happens if the BNB does something like this? Parang, miss, bumaba yan. Andyan. Hindi siya nag-breakout. That's good. So, then, we can do a trade from here. Stop loss. I'm gonna refer the stop loss by that low right here. And I can maximize the take profit all the way till there. Even till there. So that's a two scenarios for everyone. I'm not gonna put the entry, but more of the date na lang. Yeah. Just review this chart again, guys, in YouTube so you can see the full take profit level. Okay? Mga values na yan, andyan yan lahat. So, October 2. Okay. Lagay ko lang yan dyan. Yan. Okay? So, Engineer MG, ano broker mo pa? I'm using Binance. And at the same time, sometimes, Bybit. Yeah, I'm trying to do with Bybit now. Oh, hello, hello. Yeah, so remember, guys, we got the trade with the dot. I asked you to buy the trade with the dot also. So, if you check my Instagram right now, anyone in my Instagram, do a heart. If you guys are in my Instagram, diba? Pag naka-follow kayo sa Instagram, let me know in the comments. So, I posted my, what's the word for that? Story. Let me try to see in here if I can see that. Okay. Yeah, so for those who does not know, we have we have Instagram. So I'll just show this one. Interesting. Hmm. Yeah. So this is a dot trade. Dot trade yan, guys. Okay? So currently I'm up 61%. Yung mga nasa YouTube dyan, let me see if I can share the sa inyo. Oh, you guys cannot see. Yeah, anyways, so 61% return on the dot. I use 10x right here. Yeah. So this is the trade that we did. I have an entry right around 4 point around this level. So the last live that we did, guys, I told you, when we talk about that, pag nasa below ng 4 niyan, that opportunity is really big for you. You can buy that. You can close your eyes, you can buy that. So this also with the breakout pattern, this was a high chance. So I risk around $1,000 right here. If this trade was about is gonna go against me, ito, it's gonna what? It's gonna risk around 1,000 lang. But profit for me was, was big. So yeah, that's what I did. And for those who are in YouTube, they cannot see it. Anyway, so yeah, that's for our that's for our dot. Sammy, do you give out signals po? Yes, I do give out signals, and sometimes free trading setups like this one. This was the last trading setup, one of the last trading setups that we did on our YouTube live, and yeah, currently, I'm on a trade like that, with this one. So that's it. That I guess, guys, the best trade for you to check for now is the BNB, one of the safest, because the pumping already happened. The thing. Sol, Even Sol right now, yeah, I also gave this one out with everyone. Almost at the take profit now by the Sol. Ito, I gave a lot of trade setup, guys. Past week. Ito. So, Sol, Matic. So, itong Matic na to, the trade got invalidated. The stop loss, similar with yung, Unify. It hit the stop loss right here. Supposedly 0.5412 yung stop loss natin, but we went lower than that. But the idea of, the long position is there. That's the thing. It's just that we got stopped out. But that's fine. Out of how many trades we did now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, guys, Unify, XRP, Matic, stop loss got hit. But Ethereum, BNB, DOT, tsaka yung Sol, apat yan, guys. We are in what? We are in running trade, running profit. So, can you imagine, guys? There's no such thing as okay, I'm gonna say this. There's no such thing, yung win rate ko, 90%. Yeah, there might be, but that would be more of algo. And even algo, guys, has an average of, 60% win rate. So, out of the 7 trades, okay, if we include Bitcoin also, let's say 8 trades, tatlo yung SL, 5 yung current running. So, current running yan, 5. So, with that said, we can average yung yung win rate with this one would be around 60%. Yes? 60% win rate. Okay, that's not bad. So, 3 I'm gonna do the breakdown for you guys, how it's gonna be looking like. Okay, so 3 trades got hit. So let's say we're risking $50 per trade. So that is an equivalent loss of $150. But our average RR on our trades, guys, our average RR is 3:1. So, okay, where's that one? Let's check the Sol. So we can see. So see, this one is 2.31. Dot is 3. BNB. Currently, I asked you guys to buy around this bottom. So let's just take it like 2.5 or 2. BNB. Let's open. Oh yeah, BNB. And then on Ethereum. Ethereum is also playing around 1.74. But that is mine. That is my setup. But I asked you guys to do ito, yung orange na So almost 2.9, 2.8. So going back on the Matic. So yan. So let's say our average na RR is gonna be playing 2.5. Yan, 2.5. So 5, guys, 2.5 multiplied by 50, that's gonna be sitting by 125 average win per trade. So we're looking at around roughly 625 if they hit, what's the word for that? Take profit. And your net profit, guys, net profit is gonna be $475. Yan. So now I'm just showing again, guys, with you. How is it like to have a systematic type of system? Yan, hindi tayo hindi tayo yung one time na trading na, isang trade lang kailangan $1,000 yung win ko. Isang trade lang dapat ganito. I don't trade like that. Now I'm just literally just showing you, my possible setup. And yeah. That is the most basic part. I mean, most basic na ano, this is one of the most basic trade or portfolio management for you to do. So, what I have right now, yung dot ko nasa story ko sa may Instagram, that's a different advanced approach na yon. That's why I don't have to take all of the trades that, that we plot in right here, but I selected some of it. Yan. So, itong mga Unify, no, I was not able to enter it, except I was not able to enter that. And Matic, but the Bitcoin, one of the trade of the Bitcoin that I did, it hit the stop loss, but low risk, low risk. So let's see comments. Joshua Otero, you still don't have the calculator? Joshua, are you in ano? Are you in premium? It is in premium. Yung ano. Sige, sige, Carl, okay? Mga inasal. Nakakamiss ng ano, no? Nakakamiss ng ano, mga inasal dyan. Edsel, yung risk ng trade na yun, it's not so much. Wait lang. Yung trade na yun. You can roughly say around I don't wanna speak that. At yan, maliit lang. You guys know how I trade. I don't, you know, I don't gamble. I trade. Okay, so that's it. One thing that I want you guys to watch out for now lang is the BNB. And yeah, trade management na lang sa ano natin, sa current running trades. Okay? Yeah, so see, ma'am, signal po sana for Ethereum. Ethereum is currently running. So, and there's not that much entry for you to do unless and until, we get a proper pullback. So, but currently, none. You should have got around this area, by last week. I have stated this with everyone to buy Ethereum. Okay, so sa Telegram po ba kayo nagsasend ng signals? No, I send it in my Discord. So let's try to open the Discord right here. Guys, this one is free, ha? I have a free section of, ayun. Let's show that with everyone who are in. Yeah. So this is, guys, right here, Discord yan. We also have the YouTube trade. I post the YouTube live trades in here. So, you can get updated even if we're not in the live. So, yun yung mga sample trades natin dyan. Yung mga GRT and everything. Matic natin. This is the Matic that got, that got hit to stop loss. We were pretty early. Not pretty early with the trade, but yeah. It was just that the movement was pretty fast. Right here. So this one was the link. And yeah, this was, I also shared this trading plan with you guys in the YouTube. So that's it. If you want to get into the Discord, open the description box below, yung mga nasa YouTube. There is a link in there that will lead you to the Discord. So, and andyan sila, guys. So, you can chat with everyone. Para may help kayo, kumbaga. Support system pag may mga, masasamang nangyari every time. Charot. And of course, yung mga good stuff, mga trade na successful, and if your trade is also unsuccessful, if invalidated, that's pretty normal. So, you can also share that myth, or you can ask everyone in here in the Discord, ano kaya yung nag-chat ng Colette. Hi, YouTube. Yeah, so you can literally post your charts in here, guys, and just, question, miss, or like anyone, can answer that. ano kaya yung nangyari dito? What happened with this chart? Review, kumbaga, like that. That you can, that you can check or you can share in here. Okay, so yeah. For those who are in TikTok, if you wanna get into the Discord, just open my, ito, yung screen na yan, and my account, my profile. There's a link in there. Just click on the link, and then there's a Discord option. Dami dyan. May Instagram, Discord, Premium lahat. Just click on the Discord. Okay? So, mm-hmm. Alright. Ako, I have good problem, ate. I'm on winning streak kasi last week. That's good. How can I counter this feeling na every TA ko is correct now? I feel baka magkamali ako. I'm on three losing streak na. Okay, Call, it's a good question. That can happen. It happens wherein like we have a multiple wins and we feel like, oh, we can conquer everything. So the next trade that you do, what you do is what? One thing is what? Is to risk so much, be greedy on the next trade, or one thing is like not properly doing your TA, mabilisan, mga ganun. Or you miss out some factor. Kasi what happened sa previous trades na that went, you're expecting it to happen or you're looking for similar setup again to happen, which is valid. But that setup that you did, okay, there will be times that it's not gonna work. And that's normal. What you do is you take it out and then you write down when is this one successful and when is it not successful. Dun. So that's one thing. Now, since you are, hitting the losing streak, psychologically it can affect you. So what one thing I can tell is don't take it personally. That three losing streak, what I want you to do is review. Review what went wrong. And if you think that, oh, um, I'm from the winning streak, now I'm in the losing streak. Ano bang mali na gawa ko? It's not personally by you, but it's more of the setup. And if your setup was in the winning streak back then, why was it in the winning streak? Find out those factors. And when that factor shows up again, yan, then you can use that strategy. Now, since we are in a different, market just shifted, market pump, okay, mga ganong factor, okay, those kind of factors. Then you can create a new strategy. That's why, guys, if you see me, Miss, what's your strategy? I have multiple strategies. I have strategies when we're hitting resistance. I have strategies when we're literally hitting the bottom. Yeah, you guys have noticed that. So those took years for me to to modify, filter, make them high precision, ganun. So that's normal, Carl. Okay, to be in a losing trade, and that's good because then you'll get to improve your trading. Take it as an improvement. Okay? So, nag-close. Agad ako I have doubt na agad if it's again agad siya. Trade ko. Even though di na hit yung stop loss. Yeah, okay. So, that's also one factor that you can know. The fear is gonna be there. You won't be able to hold your position properly. That, Carl, you have to face on your own. So, what I can tell you as simple as this, Carl, trust the process. If you did your trade, if you did your analysis logically, by the chart, by everything, systematic, even yung yung risk percentage mo, losses, everything, trust the process. If it goes against you, okay, then it is what it is. That's your lesson, kumbaga. And during this time, okay, do not, if for those who are listening right now, if you are in the process of learning how to trade, do not risk an amount, yung mga risk percentage nyo per trade, yung loss nyo malakihan. Don't do that yet. Okay? This process is a learning process, kumbaga, for you. So, any trade that goes against you, that is a payment, guys, for your lesson. Sige, that's a payment. So let's say a trade went against you, it's negative $1, I lost $1. It's not about losing, it's more of you paid $1 for the fee of learning the mistake from there. Sige. So, alright, so I guess that's it for today, guys. Yeah, that's a good opening of our monthly Bitcoin right here. To be honest, yung monthly breakout natin was a really good opening. So that's what we can expect right now, right around this area. Okay, movement. So for those who are late, who just came in, all right, also in TikTok, yung mga late, if you want to review or watch this live again, if you want to watch the Bitcoin itself, just go over my YouTube and then find the October 2nd na live na video. Okay? So, that's it for everyone. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, good to be back. Okay, so take care. Have a good evening. Bye, everyone.